Most traders lose money because they buy at the top and sell at the bottom. Today, I'll show you how to use one powerful indicator, RSI, to spot perfect entries, exits, and trend strength like a pro. If you're trading Forex, crypto, or stocks, and still getting false signals, this video will change the way you trade. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share a powerful RSI trading strategy that works in any market. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. It's a momentum indicator that measures how strong a trend is and whether the market is overbought or oversold. RSI moves between 0 and 100 and helps traders answer one simple question: is the market too expensive or too cheap right now? RSI key levels. These are the most important RSI levels you must remember. 70 level, overbought zone, 30 level, oversold zone, 50 level. Trend direction. When RSI is above 50, the market is generally bullish. When RSI is below 50, the market is generally bearish. Use the default RSI setting of 14 periods. This works perfectly for Forex, crypto, and stocks. You don't need to change anything as a beginner. Keep it simple. Buy setup. RSI goes below 30, oversold. Price starts to slow down or reject lower levels. Enter buy when RSI moves back above 30. In an uptrend, RSI stays mostly above 50. Buy when RSI pulls back near 40 to 50. Avoid selling at 70 in strong trends. In a downtrend, RSI stays mostly below 50. Sell when RSI pulls back near 50 to 60. Avoid buying at 30 in strong downtrends. RSI works best when you trade with the trend, not against it. Best time frames for RSI scalping: 5 minutes to 15 minutes. Day trading, 1 hour to 4 hours. Swing trading, 4 hours to daily. For beginners, I recommend 1 hour or 4-hour time frame. Final tips: combine RSI with support and resistance use. Stop loss. Always risk only 1 to 2% per trade. Practice on demo account first. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more Forex and crypto trading strategies. Comment below if you want a video on RSI plus MACD strategy or RSI scalping setup. Trade smart, manage risk, and I'll see you in the next video.